We're here in the Octave display home. This specific spot we're in is just above the garage in the back of the home. So we've called it a loft. So it's a versatile living. It's about how we can utilize a new space and create a multifunctional space. A wall bed that converts into a study desk. And it's kind of a really cool use of space where we can actually showcase how people can have multifunctional living and utilize the space in different ways.
And do you feel that that's what people are after these days, from how you see the market evolving? You told me earlier, 25 displays you can do a year. Have you seen a change in the market for that?
I think so. With the current market and the affordability being a very big issue, I think it's important that people have spaces that are designed for multi-use because of affordability reasons.
So many more people working from home.
Exactly, yeah. I think the way we live has changed so much. So because people are working from home a lot more, I think having that versatility, that smart solution, and over time, 5 to 10 years down the track, how you're going to be utilizing that space. Families moving in and out, how the space is kind of utilized, over time, and using products like that have smart solutions and made with good quality materials. So yeah, it's important to kind of think about that and how you evolve as a family. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much, Nadia. You've really inspired me with how you've transformed this space. And this is just one of the products in our collection. So reach out to us and we'll have a chat about how Troya can work for you.